POV. You wake up in London in 2026.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
Okay? Do not read it! Do not read in the card! Are you crazy? You're fucking...
I deliver your food, sir.
Goodbye, my back to the lobby.